Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bodo, and this is Bodo Thai. It's gonna come to times that you're gonna have to say no to people. It's just a part of life, man. You can't be a yes man all the time. Okay? You're gonna have to stand up for yourself and just say, no, I ain't gonna do it. I don't believe that, or whatever. Stand your ground, okay? Because or else people are gonna push you. Okay, all right. There's several ways to say it. You know what? God, dude, there's thousands of ways to say no in Thai, okay? But I'm gonna narrow it down to about, 5 or 10. And it's gonna be like 1,000 parts of how to say no in Thai. Because you're gonna learn how to say no a lot. All right, well, let's get on with it. Okay, first one. Let's go. No is might. M-A-I. Might. That's a general no. That's how it starts. A foundation of how to say no. No is might. All right, but what's come after might, it's something that I'm going to teach you because it depends on the situation. If you disagree with someone, just say you're at the hotel and you book a regular room, but somehow they want to upgrade you to like a hotel suite. You say ไม่ใช่ which means that's not correct. ไม่ใช่ that's incorrect. Next one. ไม่อยาก ไม่อยาก and whatever you want to follow, which means I don't want. You don't want to do something. Like, hey, you want to try to eat this? ไม่อยากกิน which means กิน means eat. ไม่อยากกิน means I don't want to eat it. Okay? Some guy be like, hey, try this chicken foot. You're like, no, man. ไม่อยากกิน I ain't gonna eat that. ไม่อยากกิน Try this snake egg. No, I don't want that. ไม่อยากกิน Weird. Get out of here. All right? Okay? ไม่อยากกิน ไม่อยาก means I don't want it. It's basically just you don't want something. Okay? So there's other word that come after ไม่อยาก and you're gonna have to go through it and see what like eat or go somewhere. Just say if you want to go and jump off the cliff with me, and you go ไม่อยากไป ไม่อยาก Okay? Same thing. All right? Okay, next. ไม่เป็นไร ไม่เป็นไร or you can say ไม่เป็นไร ไม่เป็นไร it basically means that's all right, that's okay, I don't know, that's okay, that's okay. Someone's accidentally kick you in the you go, oh God, oh yeah, ไม่เป็นไร 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 it's okay, I can take it. Yeah, give me another one. All right, yeah, ไม่เป็นไร which mean it's basically it's not a problem, it's okay, ไม่เป็นไร. Next. ไม่เอา ไม่เอา means I don't want it. ไม่เอาครับ ไม่เอาค่ะ I don't want it. They try to sell you things, Would you like to buy this beautiful condo? No, I don't want it. ไม่เอา I'm just here for like 2 days. What the hell are you trying to sell me? So yeah, ไม่เอา ไม่เอา means I don't want it. I don't need it in my life. Is but the formal way to say ไม่เอา is ไม่ต้องการ ไม่ต้องการ is the same as ไม่เอา but who cares? Just say ไม่เอา and move on. Next one is ไม่เคย is means I have never done it. ไม่เคย ไม่เคย it's like it's my first time. Yeah, I'm a virgin at this. ไม่เคย have a beer. Like ไม่เคย. It's like I have never have a beer before because it just came up from a womb. ไม่เคย. Next one. ไม่แน่ใจ 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 which means I'm not sure. I'm not confirmed. I'm not entirely sure, and I'm uncertain of if I have done it before or whatever. ไม่แน่ใจ. Or if they ask you something you don't know, what's they'll be like, hey, what's 1 plus 1? You go, ไม่แน่ใจ ไม่แน่ใจ I'm not sure. I don't know. ไม่แน่ใจ Okay? ไม่มี ไม่มี which means I don't have it. Hey, you have like $1,000 I can borrow? You go, ไม่มี ไม่มี I don't have it. Yeah, I don't have it. ไม่มี. All right? ไม่เห็นด้วย ไม่เห็นด้วย means I totally disagree with you. I disagree with everything you say. I have no idea what you just said, but I disagree with you because I'm just that fun at the party. ไม่เห็นด้วย There might be like, hey man, the world's round. You go ไม่เห็นด้วย If you're like, flat earther, right? ไม่เห็นด้วย Yeah, I don't agree with you, man. I don't agree with your way. ไม่เห็นด้วย And next one is I cannot is ไม่สามารถ ไม่สามารถ which means I'm unable to do it. ไม่สามารถ It's like it's out of my ability to do so. Yeah, it's like, hey man, can you like help me like pick up this car because I want to park here so you can just lift it up and put it over there. You go, ไม่สามารถ I can't do it. I'm just weak. All right. Okay, that's a whole bunch of different ways how to say no. And you know what? There's more thousands of ways to say no too. I'll make part 2 and part 3 and part 10. Just let me know. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and I will see you next time. Peace.